In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem where your File Explorer is not responding or opening in Windows 11. So to fix this, you need to head over to your Start menu and just search for Control Panel, and then click on the Control Panel window. From the top right hand side, make sure View By is set to Large Icons, and then we're going to click on File Explorer Options. From this window, make sure Open File Explorer 2 is set to This PC, and then scroll down to the Privacy section, and you need to click this Clear button, and then we can press Apply and OK. You can then check to see if that's fixed the issue. If it's still not working, head over to your Start menu and just search for Task Manager, and then click on the Task Manager window. From this list of processes, you need to locate the Windows Explorer folder, which is this one here. And once you've found Windows Explorer, we're simply going to right-click on it and select Restart. And once you've done that, you can check again to see if it's fixed your issue. Now, if that's still not working, the next solution is to head over to your Start menu, search for CMD, and then right-click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. From this window, you will just need to type in the command sfc/scan now and then hit enter. And this will check your computer for any corrupted or damaged files. Now you need to wait for this verification to get to 100%. It should only take a few minutes. And then once this is finished, you can once again check to see if that's resolved your issue. Now if it's still not working, the last thing we can do to fix this is head over to your Start menu and search for msconfig, and then click on the System Configuration tab. From the top navigation, click on Services, and make sure to check this box down here next to Hide All Microsoft Services, and then press Disable All. And then you'll need to press Apply and OK. And then you'll need to restart your computer for these changes to take effect. Once your computer's restarted, that will have now fixed your File Explorer issue. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.